Hey guys, Dr. Devine again here. Today we're going to demonstrate some really good low back exercises on a foam roller. A lot of times people get really sharp low back pain kind of in their bottom of their hip or top of their glute right through here. And a really good way to isolate that is one of these foam rollers. So basically what you do is get on the ground, get all your weight on that tight spot, that sore spot on your glute, and counterbalance yourself with 1 foot on the floor and with a bent elbow. So you want all your weight, if you can take it, right on top of that spot where it's really sore. We call it also a trigger point. What you want to do is kind of roll back and forth for 30 to 60 seconds, and I would take like a minute break in between, and I would do that 2 or 3 times. If you did that consistently 2 or 3 times a week, it would really help a lot with your muscular aches and pains. So, Dr. Devine signing off. Till we see each other again.